What was your individual collaboration important during this activity? My collaboration to the team was helping with the mathematical analysis and graphing of the problem. The strategies used to achieve the goals set by the team were divide the task based on the expertise of each member, and each member will do it and provide all the results in order to match them up in a same document. When one of my teammates contributed with ideas, I took them in, I analyzed them, and checked if they were feasible and appropriate to use. And to achieve the team goal, my contribution was once again helping with the mathematical model and graphing of the functions.
My individual contribution was important because every team member brought a different perspective to the analysis. If I hadn't actively participated, whether in collecting the data, calculating the parameters, or discussing the model, the team results would have been incomplete. Each person's effort directly fucking shit. We divided the work according to each person's role, but made sure everyone was involved in the mathematician analysis. We also communicated constantly to verify our steps, cross-check our calculations, and make sure the trigonometric model we built actually made sense with the real data. I listened carefully and tried to understand the reasoning before agreeing or disagreeing. If an idea seemed useful, I supported it and helped it even further. If I had a different approach, I shared it respectfully so we could compare both opinions and choose the best one together. My contribution was organizing the presentation, recording this video with the respective questions, and editing the video. I made sure my part was done carefully so the rest of the team could build upon it without issues.
My individual collaboration was important to this activity because I was in charge of checking that the information in both the graph and the presentation was correct. During this activity, we did several strategies. The first of all was to do a brainstorming, so all the members to say their own ideas to solve the problem, and based on those ideas that everyone said, we did several trial and error until we finally reached the solution that we put in the presentation. When one of my teammates had an idea for the activity, I would be like, okay, let's see what we can do with this idea of you, and we did trial and error and see if it was useful to the solution or to the activity, and if it was, we would work on that. To achieve the team goal, what I did, apart from checking all the information in the graph and presentation, was to put a lot of ideas, and with my teammates, I heard their ideas, and I will help them to work on them to see if they work or if they don't.